just driving, dude.
Hey friends, welcome back to Velocity Vista. Now I am super excited to present to you something that some of you might see a little different than what you're used to on this channel. And yes, finally I brought the Miata out on track for its very first track day during the season's last track day. So for those of you that don't know, I bought this Miata in April and I finally got it running and out on the track. This car exceeded my expectations. It was probably the most fun I've had driving any car on track. This car is completely different than the Type R, and this car is so well dialed in that it responds to my inputs very well. Yes, this is about a 24-year-old car, and it could still use some work and some improvements, but once I have that down, this car will be an absolute menace on the track, and it already is. I was putting maybe about 126.01 in this session, and then I stopped keeping track of time. So this thing can definitely do 124s if I dial it in correctly. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. This one is a fun one. This is session number 3 from November 19th at Englishtown Raceway Park, last track day of the season. On top of that, I got some crazy clips of my boys sliding their cars. I was also intentionally trying to get the rear out because at that point I was just having a blast. I hope you guys enjoy the video. I'll do a more in-depth analysis and explanation of what's going on with the car, my experiences with it in the next coming weeks. Till then, stay safe, be warm, have a good time, and enjoy the video. Please also help me get to 50 subscribers by the end of the year. That would mean a lot. Thank you so much for watching. Please enjoy. was a checkered flag. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. You guys are amazing. Help me get to 50, as you saw. This session was an absolute blast. We had Saief in his M3 slipping and sliding all over the place in pure BMW fashion, and he looked good while doing it, and he's pretty talented at doing it. So shout out to him, and hope to see you guys all in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.